How to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Hey guys, so just go ahead and open up your browser, go to google.com, log in into your Google account, and click on the Google Apps icon at the top right. We are going to Forms. From here, select the form that you want to connect to Google Sheets, and at the top, you're going to go to the Responses tab. And at the top right, you can immediately see the link to Sheets option, so click on that. And you can either create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet to add the responses data to that one. So first, I'm going to show you how to do it by creating a new spreadsheet. So by default, it would show you this title of the spreadsheet, which is your form title followed by the responses in parentheses. So you can change it. You can just edit it to whatever you like and click on create at the bottom right of that window. It will then say linking to spreadsheet, and it will automatically take you to the spreadsheet that you just created. And from here, it will then show you all the responses by column to show you the responses of each question you had on your form with a timestamp at the left-hand side. Now, for example, you want to add this data to an existing spreadsheet. So we can go back to our Google Forms, go to the Responses tab, and click on this three-dotted icon, and we click on Select Destination for Responses. This time we are going to select existing spreadsheet. If, for example, you would want that, click on Select at the bottom right, and it will then show you all the spreadsheet that you have on your Google account where you can copy your responses to your form. So for example, I want to do it or insert the data to the spreadsheet. Select that specific spreadsheet and click on Insert at the bottom right. It will then load, and it will then say Spreadsheet Linked at the bottom left. And to go to your spreadsheets, you can just search for a spreadsheet, or you can also click on the Google Apps menu at the top right and go to Sheets. From here, you should be able to see the spreadsheet that you just copied to, so you can click on that. And what that did was create another workbook or worksheet on that specific Google spreadsheet. So at the bottom, this is our new sheet or new data right here. And the old data that you had on that existing spreadsheet is separated on a different worksheet right there at the bottom that you can click on. And to access all these spreadsheets, again, you can go to Spreadsheets, or you can also go to Google Drive right here and make sure that you are logged into the same account, of course. And you can go to the homepage and see your Google Sheets in here. You can also go to My Drive tab and look for the sheet that is in here. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.